Hi everyone, with me today I have Nico Show. These are their compression packing cubes, which make packing super easy in a smarter way so you can travel that much easier. I got it in the color navy, and let me show you everything you will receive. First up, we have these 3 packing cubes. Now these are mainly for clothes, and as you can see, you're going to get a small, a medium, and a large. Now they all have this mesh material, which is great because you can kind of check out what is inside, and it is also super breathable, so your clothes aren't going to start to stink. These are awesome. They also have handles, and these zippers are super smooth. I absolutely adore it, and you're going to have so much space inside. It is absolutely crazy how much you can truly fit, and with the zipper you can also expand them to make them bigger, and then you fit as much clothes as you can in there, and then you can compress them as much as possible before putting them in your luggage. This is awesome. Again, you get 3 sizes of these. You're also going to receive 2 bags. This one is a drawstring. I would absolutely love using this for dirty clothes. I can toss all of them in here, zip it closed, and make sure that this is the one I have to wash when I get back home. Absolutely incredible. And this one is, of course, for shoes. There's a zipper down the middle, and you can fit some nice sneakers, heels, anything you need right here. And last but not least, you're going to receive 2 different pouches. One for socks, underwears, and bras. As you can see, super nice. Again, I absolutely love the color, and they have other ones as well. Check out the inner lining. You can fit so much in here. And the other one is more for anything like chargers. Maybe you have to take a USB. Everything can be fit in here with the elastics and be safe and sound. I absolutely love this kit. You should definitely check it out on Amazon. It's going to make traveling that much easier.